Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a check mark in your Microsoft Word document. To be honest, most of you probably just know how to copy it from somewhere else, and that's the proper way to do it if you ask me. Because usually people do is just click insert, find the symbol and select more symbols. But if you want to play a game, good luck finding it here. So if you notice where the check mark symbol is, I'd say props to you. A much quicker and easier way is just typing into Google checkmark symbol or tick symbol. You can paste it right here, and you can see all the different kinds that you can select and have in your Microsoft Word document. So that's pretty much it. It's just sometimes it's just simple to go away around things rather than wasting your time. So, yep, that's how you do it. Hope this helped. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.